Dali.
I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back through the water. Happy birthday, my cute.
Oh, kiss. Yay!
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Mga anak ni Vic Soto at Pauline Luna na sina Tali at Baby Mochi, kinagiliwan ng mga netizens sa kanilang bonding moment. Masayang kumanta si Tali ng happy birthday para sa ika-9 months old ng kanyang baby sister. Samantala, sa isang video naman ay tila ine-enjoy ni Baby Mochi ang pagtingin sa kanyang sarili, sa salamin. Itong nakakaaliw na moment ni Mochi, ay nabidyohan ng kanyang mommy Pauline.
Happy birthday, Mochi. Happy birthday, Mochi. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mochi.
Oh, kiss. Okay, o yan. Next.
I've been staying
One more time.
edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish
Uy, Dali.
I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back through the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads.